There. Good morning. Good morning, Jonah. Say hi, everybody. I'm 7 weeks old today, and I'm really happy about it. I'm so happy. And I got a full belly. Now I'm spitting up. Ooh. Now I'm spitting up some more. Now I'm spitting up a little bit more. Okay, wow. Wowzers. Okay then. Maybe we should have got that out. Are you pretty proud of yourself? Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, Smiley. Jonah, love. What are you saying? Oh, you mad? Are you mad? Jonah. Hi. There's your tongue. You're just so happy. Hi. Hello. Jonah. Jonah, love. You look so serious. Where's your smile? Where's that big smile? There it is. There's my happy boy. Oh, tongue's out. What you thinking? It's gonna be a fun day, isn't it? Yeah, it is. There. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Mama loves you. Happy baby. Say bye. Bye, happy baby. Bye, Jonah. Bye, Jonah, love. Ooh. Woo.